Hi, in this video, we're going to get our first look at logarithms. So the first question you have to ask is, what is a logarithm? Well, if you happen to know that b to the x equals a, then you can rewrite that out of its exponential format into logarithmic format by writing log base b of a equals x. Notice here that the base of the exponent is the same thing as the base of the logarithm, all right? And then the exponent goes to the other side. Now, this can be just a little bit tricky to get your mind wrapped around, but the great news is once you practice it just a little bit, it's going to become super natural for you. So let's take a look at our first example. Let's say I tell you 5 squared equals 25. Well, of course, you know that to be true, but I want to write this as a logarithm instead. Now, the base of my exponent is 5, so that's also going to be the base of my logarithm. So I'm going to have log base 5 of, I take the number from the other side, 25, is going to equal the exponent 2. Now, I'm hoping you can see here that knowing how to rewrite this in logarithmic format might help us find unknown exponents, because previously we haven't had a really good method to do that. So let's rewrite another logarithm. Let's say I have the square root of 9 equals 3, and I want to rewrite it as a logarithm. Well, the first thing I need to do is write square root of 9 in exponential format. So a square root is the same thing as raising something to the 1/2. So I can write this as 9 to the 1/2 equals 3. Now, because the base of the exponent is 9, that's going to be the base of my logarithm. Log base 9 of the other side is 3. So log base 9 of 3 equals 1/2. Now, guess what? We can actually go the other way as well. Let's say you're given a logarithmic equation. You can write it in exponential form by, well, what we're going to do is we're going to identify the base. The base of this logarithm is 4, so that will be the base of our exponent. And of course, the exponent is the other side. So I have 4 to the third equals 64. Not too bad, right? Let's try one more like that. Log base 10 of 1/100th equals -2. I want to rewrite that in exponential form. Well, the base of my logarithm is 10, so that will be the base of my exponent. And the exponent is the other side of the equation from the log. So this gives me 10 to the -2 equals 1/100th. And that is how you work with logarithms in their basic formats.